You're a great advisor. A trustworthy.
You're the best pastors.
Determined and brave pastors.
Strict but have a gentle heart.
A shepherd, good mentor, a teacher, and they are like parents to me. A good listener and encourager. Faithful and dedicated pastors. Compassionate. A true leader.
Strong pastors.
God-fearing pastors. A loving and trustworthy pastors.
Kind and loving pastors.
Dedicated and faithful servant.
Hardworking pastors.
Stay strong.
Caring and loving pastors.
Understanding and approachable pastors.
Naturod namang bagbagatin mang disiplina katakan.
Nagagood.
Naaros.
Ken natidker. Thank you for being the backbone of our church through your prayers.
Na kayo tinagbalin ang mentor mi panagserbi ni Tiapo.
Malaing.
Ken naliptak.
Manuel Rabi maasahan mi titulong nyo kada kami.
Maayat nga magbaga kada tayo. Masanin ti amin agungdawan.
Happy Pastor's Day po, Pastora and Pastor. Grateful po kami for your existence and thank you for serving the Lord faithfully and may you continue to give your best for Him. You will always be in our prayers and love you po.
Maraming salamat sa mga upliftment niyo sa akin, sa mga payo niyo sa akin. At ang pagyakap niyo sa akin, pagkakilala na tinawag niyo akong nanay. Naparami pong salamat.
I just want to say thank you and I am grateful for your love, kindness, and all your sacrifices. God bless, Pastor.